When in today's video, we will see how to connect the Foxtel iQ5 box on TV, HDMI setup, Wi-Fi pairing, and signal fixed guide. So, the step one: turn off your TV and Foxtel iQ5 box before making any connection. Step two: connect one end of the supplied HDMI cable to the HDMI port on back of the iQ5 box and the other end to the available HDMI port on your TV. Remember which HDMI port you see, HDMI 1, 2, or etc. Step 3. Connect the power adapter to the IQ5 box and plug into the wall outlet and turn the power on. Step 4. Turn on your TV and use the TV remote. And then tap the source or input button to select the HDMI input where the IQ5 is connected. Step 5. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to pair the remote, connect the box to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and active your Foxtel service. Goodbye and thanks for watching.